Located in the quiet neighborhood of Oak Hill, this beautiful home provides a spacious open floor plan. A lovely front porch greets family and friends and is a fantastic setting to relax. Inside, wooden sliding doors off the entry foyer open into the formal dining room, which is a pleasant atmosphere for all of your occasions. At the rear of the home is a large eat-in kitchen with a breakfast bar that abuts the bright living room where a glass slider steps out to the rear yard. Enjoy outdoor privacy in this fenced-in yard where you can dine al fresco on the stone patio or unwind under the pergola surrounded by mature plantings. On the second floor are a full tiled bath and 4 generous bedrooms, one of which is currently being used as a study. This great Oak Hill location is steps away from Hope Village, where you can enjoy the many popular boutiques and cafes. You can also go for a scenic stroll on Blackstone Boulevard or walk to the farmers market at Lippitt Memorial Park in the summer and Hope Artiste Village in the winter. Nearby College Hill is home to various renowned campuses and museums, including the Rhode Island School of Design and Brown University. A commuter rail in the downtown area and easy highway access allow you to travel to Boston and throughout the state. Minutes away is downtown Providence, a vibrant area full of acclaimed theaters and dining options that create a great atmosphere day or night. For more information, please visit the property website or call Barbara Dacey at area code 401-527-6745.